Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are having a great day so far. It's been a while since I've made a video due to various other projects that I've been working on, as well as some other things that have been happening outside of these projects. I know that there are quite a few comments on some of the other videos, so hopefully I'll be able to get around to answering those as well. However, in today's video, we are taking a look at this Aroma Rice Cooker. Right now, it's plugged in. However, it does not seem to be turning on at all. So the goal for this video is to go ahead and take a look at this, troubleshoot it, see if we can at least get a light to come on or get it working in some way. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start troubleshooting this. So looking around the rice cooker, I've noticed that we have some screws here on the inside to be able to remove this entire piece and have it come forward. However, we can also look on the bottom here. I am suspecting that this is probably where the heating element is. We are able to remove these 3 Phillips head screws. Ideally, after removing those, these feet will come off, and then this back piece will be able to be removed as well. And we'll be able to take a closer look at that heating element I mentioned earlier. So when we get back, I'm going to go ahead and zip these out, and we'll take a closer look at that heating element there. So after you remove those screws, we can go ahead and lift up on those feet that were in each of these 3 locations. And now we have full access to this internal mechanism, as well as the thermal fuses down here. I think what I'm going to do now is go unscrew these thermal fuses and check if they're blown. If so, we can move on to our next steps. So I'll say here again, before proceeding, make sure that the device is unplugged and turned off. Right now we have the fuse unsheathed. Having your multimeter set to continuity, we are going to test continuity on one leg. So that leg is good. However, as we can see from the other side, this fuse is indeed blown. So this is the fuse that has been removed. It might be hard to read. I'm trying to angle it in such a way that can have the digits be read. It's pretty difficult. Let's see if I could zoom in a little bit. Maybe that will help. Let's see. SF169E. Rating, PS. Let's see. I'm trying to roll this without it falling outside my fingers here. It's not really that small, but it's a little bit unwieldy. Let's see. Okay. So unfortunately, I do not have a fuse, and that is this rating. So for now, I am just going to solder a wire in between these 2 points. However, my intention is to get the proper fuse and then replace it at a later time. Right now, we are just going to make this work and just see how it goes. So now that we have soldered these leads together, we can go ahead and check once again for continuity. So continuity is good. Something to keep in mind, once again, this is not a permanent solution. My intention is to find an equivalent fuse, open this back up again, and then replace the broken fuse with one that is a proper rating, because this is not typically safe. So keep that in mind. It's just a quick fix to see if it will work. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up with insulating tape. Then I'm going to go ahead and test it and see if it works. So now that I have everything screwed in again, let's go ahead and pan the camera down to this switch. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in real quick, and we'll see if the light comes on. So just gonna step over here. Hopefully that did not move it. I can't really see. All right, I got it plugged in. Let's take a look. And it looks like, kind of hard to see with the camera. You guys probably could see this, but I can't. There it is. Huh. Yeah, the light comes on now. Huh. Well, there you go. So after putting on the feet and closing it up, we can go ahead, try to plug it in. And now we have light, which is exactly what we've been hoping for. Obviously, to test this further, we're going to have to cook some more rice in it and see if it actually heats up, you know, that kind of thing. But at least this is much further than we were before. So we'll see if it works from there. So once again, thank you all for tuning into this quick little video. I'm going to try to do more to put out more videos and to answer all of your comments on the other videos. Stay tuned for that. And until next time, thank you all for watching. And I hope you all have a great day. Take care.